You're prepping everything for dinner, you've got your garlic, your onions, tomatoes, and even your fruit for dessert, which you're about to whip up. But guess what? The fruit now tastes like garlic. I've definitely done this, and as it turns out, there is a way to get rid of that pesky, lingering garlic flavor. One method is to rub a water baking soda paste onto your cutting board to remove that potent garlic smell, but it really never takes that smell away. Did you know that you can get rid of garlic breath by eating foods that brown, like apples and potatoes? Well, as it turns out, the same principle works here. Browning is a sign that a certain enzyme has been released by bruising or cutting, and it's reacting with oxygen. Now, this enzyme can oxidize sulfurous compounds, like the ones that give garlic its pungent odor, turning them into odorless compounds. All you have to do is grate either an apple or a potato onto the board where you prepared your garlic, let it hang out for about 10 minutes, and then just wash it off. So the next time you need to get rid of some garlic flavor, be sure to have an apple or potato nearby. If you want more quick tips or weeknight-friendly recipes, check out my series, Today's Special, on America's Test Kitchen's YouTube channel.